Alright, just wanted to give you a preview of how lovely a day it is here in North Alabama. That's awesome, man. Awesome. Well, friends, subscribers, internet strangers, what's up? Alright, what's up? And all those other things with the crazy commercials say. So we're doing something different today. I hadn't tried this one yet, and I got a late start. It's 2:45. I probably missed every single one of them, but we're gonna go see if we can find some of the penny deals from Dollar General. I've got 3 of them right around me, so I'm gonna go to all 3 of those. And I know y'all want to go, but we were supposed to get. Joni had we're supposed to get 5 to 7 inches of rain in the next 3 days, and it's already coming down quite a bit. So, but when you have the RA disease, what's a little rain, right? I got this late start because after the show, it didn't make any sense to leave and try to run around, knowing that I only had like 45 minutes for. I had to make sure Joni was up and getting ready. Since she has fallen again with her ankle, she doesn't like to take a shower if I'm not at least in the house, in the bedroom, where if something happens she can scream, because the shower actually has a stool she can sit on, and we've got a shower stool. But if she starts getting dizzy, she'll call me real quick. So anyway, that is the reason for the late start. But she had a PET scan, but that sucker, they called her back. And then the medicine has to be inside her for an hour before they start the procedure. So it was about an hour and 30 minutes, plus the 30-minute wait to go back. So yeah, a couple hours sitting around, but we're done. I'm free for the day now. She is taking a nap, so $3 General. Let's see. This is the one right down from the house. That's almost a Rite Aid. That's about to be my Walgreens. So I can take FedEx over there. That'll be great. I'll miss Rite Aid, but that'll be great. Look at there. Shane's calling, Mr. Dollar General himself.
Hey!
What up, son?
All right.
Check it out, guys. 3 of those. $5? I think not. How about a penny? Oh, wait a minute. How about 5 of those, guys? Haha. The beardy picker. Better late than never, right, beardy picker? You damn right, Scotty. That's on the list, but it's the 60 tablets, not the 10 pack. Alright, so I found that too for a penny. So we got 6 of those and 1 of those. That date's short on that. I'll sell it on eBay. But these are expires. Lord, I can't talk. Expires on 2/21. So let's I don't have any signal here. I'll look them up in the van. I'll let you know in just a minute how much. All right, so guys, I'll put that in a PDF form. So I got you'll see the folic acid is $9.13, 16,000 in health and beauty. It's a low number, sell pretty quick. They're expire in 2021. First store, 7 cents. I had to break $1. I didn't even put any change in my pocket like a rookie. This is fun. A treasure hunt. Let's go to the next. It's still raining. Lovely day. Dollar General number 2. Let's go see what we can find. Doubt there's stuff in here, folks. No doubt. It's a matter of can the beardy picker pull it out of this store. I have noticed that the clearance is on the other end of the toy aisle. What's up, toy aisle? Well, let's see if we recognize anything here. Any health and beauty. Ruh-roh. I see health and beauty. All right, let's see what I can find. Y'all see that? That's a full freaking basket. I walked up to here. There's the clearance. It was on this whole shelf right here. Penny, baby. The bearded picker. The Bigger Picker Investigates. Dollar. This is a game. This is gonna be a fun game to start playing. How much stuff can the Bearded Picker find? Y'all like my Punisher at, by the way? Yeah, the Bearded Picker punishes now. We were gonna play, show you everything I got, but here's the receipt. I got 27 items, 27 cents. The girl at the register just laughed. So now we're up to 7 plus 27. I can add 34, baby. So I was only gonna go to 3 Dollar Generals, but damn, this is so much like fun. Let's go to at least 2 more, maybe 3. So Shane is running to somebody in every one of his Dollar Generals, and I'm the only one in mine. They emptied the whole store just for me, see? All right, let's see what we can find, folks. Here's the toys. See, this store even has all this freaking toy clearance. You got a store on you? Yes, I gotta remember this. Okay. No clearance. Dadgummit. Next. No clearance. No clearance. Come on, Daddy needs some pennies. Daddy needs some pennies. Uh-oh. Let's see what we got here. All right, I'm gonna go look at this stuff. I'll be back. I can't believe everything I picked up at the store. I have really racked up. Skunk. You know what this means? You can't waste a lot of time. It's on to the next one, right? I'm trying to see if that big transformer I found on half off was anywhere in here. Nope. Y'all see anything here? Bueller. I jinxed myself by being so overconfident of grabbing the basket knowing I was gonna kill it. This time, I'm confident I'm gonna find something, but I don't want to jinx it. You gotta have your own methods, right? So what do you tell yourself when you're hunting stuff? Do you have superstitions? Sometimes when you have a bad one, you have to break it. All right, we found the clearance. Dun, dun, dun. Give me a chance to look over it, I'll be back. But it ain't looking good for the home team. It was a bust, so let's look at that. Look at here on the shelf, see what we can find. Anybody see anything? Bueller. Y'all are not helping because I'm not hearing a word out of y'all. Come on, I'm counting on you. Hey, it's just me. Do y'all smell something? That roadkill is right here somewhere. Cause you know what? Skunk. That's another skunk. Chalk went up to the skunk. So now we are 2 skunks and 2 good ones. I was only going to 4, but this is so much fun. We're gonna sneak to one more down the road here and then cut across to the house. All right, and put this video together so y'all can see how much damn fun I had chasing penny stuff. Sorry about that. Had to put on the old seatbelt. What are y'all doing on a rainy Tuesday? Are y'all out chasing penny stuff? Are y'all having this fun and glorious time in the rain? Right. That should be a home shipping, right? Y'all say, damn, Bearded Picker, you got enough stuff. But where's the number 5? Is it skunk number 3 or fabulous buy number 3? Stay tuned. Hello. All right, y'all help me look. Where in the world is the clearance? You might see it. Anybody see it? Anybody see it? Are y'all part of this team or what? Anybody see it? Damn, guess wrong again. I know, right? Uh-oh. I see orange stickers. This ain't looking good for the home team. All the crime. We're looking for some criminals on the clearance row. You're looking for somebody whose mouth hurts really bad, and all they know is their mouth hurt really bad, but they got the shits. So we're looking for a toothache that gave them the runs. Oh my God! How you still on Dollar General clearance? Store number 6. I lied. We're not going home yet because, yeah, I've got a disease. Let's go see what we can find. Oops. And that was the bearded picker almost busting his ass. I know, right? Y'all see any? Bueller. This is a new store. I hope they got some clearance. Nothing. Nothing. All right, let's look on the regular shelf, guys, gals, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, people of all ages. All right, so you want to know what I got today? Oops, you go over there. I got 36 items, spent 37 cents, and went to 6 stores, bought something in 4 out of 6. All right, so let's start with these guys. Well, I guess I'll try to sell them on eBay. I got six of the Dollar General Mucus Fast Acting Relief. Ooh, that expired. Close enough. That one was last month. Last month. Alright, well, I'll throw those on eBay, see if somebody wants those for last month. These right here are the Mucinex. They're all 9 of 20. They're all good. There's 4 of those. 2 of these, they're both 10 of 20 and 9 of 20. Folic acid are all in date. They're about, I think they're $3.82 profit each. One of these, there are 6 of them. Did not look up that one. Gonna put the Dollar General, this one on $5.19, so I'll stick all those on eBay. These somebody hit them with a box cutter. They're still in date, so I'll stick those on eBay as well. Crush box, eBay, 30 bucks. If that'll come off, it'll go to Amazon, but I'm not counting on it. That's a good one. $7.19, it can still go. These guys here don't have much value, but for a penny, it's 50 tablets, so it's 150 ibuprofen. I'll just throw them in a bottle. These expired last month, but no problem. I don't have any problem taking them. These expired last month, but I'm trying not to catch a cold, and here I am sniffing, so there we go. These guys, I don't know if they have any value or not, but they're $3.20 off eBay. That's way out of date. Trash. Epsom salt. Does Epsom salt even have a date? Yeah, 10/21. If there's any value in that, I'll sell it. If not, we'll keep it. And these guys here, I looked them up. They've got a 96,000 rank. There's 2 of them. They are $5.20 on the date, so they are good. It was definitely worth the trip. We got home at 3:30, and I was back here at like 5:05. So I was not more than 2 hours to get to all those stores, all 6 stores. And the biggest part of it was I had a good time. I was on the phone with Shane, and just thrill of hunting down something that's a penny, and knowing you didn't even spend $1. I broke $1 at one store because I forgot the change in the van, and I didn't even get to I still have 2 quarters left. Imagine that. So Dollar General, you were actually good to me today. We're gonna do this again. This was a lot of fun. Um, yeah, Shane did the same thing. Check out Shane's video, and he found a few things different than I did. I think I found a couple more than he did, but very similar numbers. Just he's got a few different products. All right. Hey, thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and all that other stuff down here below. Appreciate you. Roll Tide.